Hello friends, today we are discussing a trade for Paul, also known as polygamy. Currently, Paul is trading within a range. As you can see from the trend line I have drawn, if we examine the chart, we will notice that the previous trend line also formed a range. Upon closer inspection, we can see that price broke through the trend line and reached a higher price of 0.27, marked by a green candle. Afterward, the price continued to trade within the range, forming a new higher low and lower low. When the price reached 0.207, it drew a green candle and broke through the higher low of 0.22. Additionally, the price was trading above the VWAP and broke through the previous higher of 0.269. However, it failed to sustain itself as higher levels. Now let's focus on the current trend line. We can see that the price is resisting the trend line and has formed a long red candle. Moreover, the price has dropped below the VWAP, indicating a potential short trade opportunity. Our target for this trade will be the trend line, which has been capping the price for an extended period of time. We will set our stop loss and take profit levels based on this trend line. This trade setup is relatively straightforward, and I am providing you with a detailed visual analysis to avoid any confusion. If you refer to the strategy tab on the right side, you will see my previous Paul trade, which I recently closed as it was profitable. But as BTC start moved again upwards, I closed that trade, and now I am looking to enter short again. So I like to share with all of you guys, so it will be profitable for you as well. So the price has now showing reversed signs, and we are looking to enter a short trade again. Our stop loss is relatively tight, and we are aiming for a take profit level that is more than double to our stop loss. This trade has the potential to be higher profitable with a risk to reward ratio of 2.6 and even beyond. To summarize, we are looking to enter a short trade for Paul with a target range of 0.185 to 0.195. Our stop loss will be at 0.236, and we will be entering the trade between 0.225 and 0.221. It is essential to note that the recent rise action has formed a clear range, and we are looking to capitalize on this opportunity. The trend line has been a significant level of resistance, and we are expecting the price to bounce off this level. In terms of trade management, it's crucial to keep a close eye on the price action and adjust our stop loss and take profit levels accordingly. We will be monitoring the trade closely and making adjustments as needed. If you have any questions about this trade setup or would like to discuss further, please feel free to ask me in the chat. I will be happy to help. Additionally, if you found this strategy helpful, please don't forget to follow me for more light trades like this. As I mentioned earlier, our target range is between 0.185 to 0.195, and we are expecting the price to bounce off the trend line. This trade has the potential to be highly profitable, and we will be monitoring it closely to ensure maximum returns. I hope this detailed analysis help you understand the trade setup better. If you have any confusion regarding this, ask me, and don't forget to follow me.